home, got home late last night, and I had a request from boondockers.com for this young lady.
Hi.
To come and stay last night. I'll let her introduce herself, and she's going to show us her.
I'm Rachel. I'm in this van for a month. These are from my friends over at Our Home on Wheels on Instagram. Give them a follow. Jason Giddy. They own this van, and they live in it full time. Used to live in it full time.
Say hi.
This is my friend Molly.
Hi. I'm clean now.
She's coming with me on this trip. So I'm going to show you around.
Yay!
So this is the van. And if you step inside. So Jason Giddy have a little girl, and she sleeps right here, so I don't use this part, but it's really convenient. Oop, it's just this little trundle bed, and it's really, really sweet and cute and cozy. But I mainly keep it like this, because I don't need that.
Is that where you slept last night?
Yeah.
I should have.
Um,
Tonight was when I sleep.
So there's a sink, fully functional sink here. Very good. We got some cabinets up here. I keep food in one. Lots of food, and toiletries and other random tidbits in the other.
Those
There's a
curtains
fridge.
are adorable.
Really cute curtains, really cute everything. I love the paint, I love the walls, I love everything. Got a good isotherm fridge. It's got a freezer in there. And then our little kitchen pantry. We got a stove, pot, pan, percolator.
Coffee pot.
Yep.
Gotta have a coffee pot.
Cleaning supplies and all that good stuff. Spice rack comes in handy.
They don't fall off driving down the road.
No, those are like the only
they
things
have
that
a-
just really don't
They have
move.
a wee boost. How does that work?
I honestly, is it not for cell signal for internet? Oh, nice.
I think so.
Oh, well, maybe I'll ask. That's something
Have
I
to
really
Google
don't,
that.
I don't know too much about. Let's see. So in these two things, we have some storage. So in this one, I got some warm clothes and all my other random clothing items. These things here are the window shades. They just pop on. Some of them are magnetic. Some of them have these little snaps. We got lights. Really nice.
Oh, wow.
And they dim.
Whoa.
Come up and down.
Those
so that's
get
really
bright.
cool. Yeah. So that's good at night that you can dim those. And then we have,
Your friends built this out themselves?
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. And I think, I could be wrong, but I think this is their third that they've lived in. Yeah.
Oh.
And it's the smallest, so it's really nice and easy for me to drive. Here is the outside lights. I don't know what they're called, like the off-road LEDs,
Oh,
like
okay.
really, really super bright. So we have them on both sides and then also on the front and the back. For driving at night, on back roads. This is the bed. This is the table. This is my favorite part.
Kitchen table.
So you can sit here with your
That's
friends and
pretty.
have a meal. And then directly under having your meal is the toilet,
Yay! Gotta have that.
which is extra convenient and perfect.
Yeah. And it's a
What's your-
composting,
Yep,
right?
composting toilet, very easy. There's a vent that just takes any and all smells just that way, but there really aren't any smells.
To your
Just
neighbors?
yeah, just blows them right onto my neighbors.
Nice.
It's got a heater, it's got outlets here. Anything that you really need. And what else? The bug screen. That's something
Oh, yeah.
really convenient. I haven't had to use it because there hasn't been any bugs yet.
And then it just velcros on?
Yep.
Cool.
Just unsnap and then zip it around like a tent.
Awesome.
Yeah.
And then it has solar up there. I don't think I can get
Yep.
up high enough to show you.
That's how everything's run.
How cool is that? And then your next stop is Yosemite?
Yep. Going to Yosemite today for a couple days, and then I'll go up to Lassen Volcanic, Redwoods, up through Oregon.
And you're
and
from
east. I'm from Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Yeah.
Girl's been on the road for a day or two.
Yeah.
Coolness. Well, thanks for sharing it with me.
Yeah, no problem.
It was nice to meet you.
It was nice to meet you too.
And you
This was
just
so
feel free to
fun.
come back anytime.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I'm going to go for now. Ciao.